Hello, welcome to my channel. So, I've already explained the functions of all these menu here, right? So, I don't know if I will have to, um, create a new dashboard so that I can only select, add the things you people can edit this side because it's not everywhere here that you can edit because you are not a professional. So there are some places you go here and it will have an effect on the website. So, but that's not a problem. Anytime there is you people need support, I'm always available to provide solutions. Okay. So, like I said, I've already explained everything here. So I'll just go ahead and show you how to create a new product and product variations, right? So you come to this product here, this go to all products. So when you come to all products, as you can see, these are all the products that we have on our website right now. Can you see that? You can choose to uh, put them in the bin and delete permanently, or you can, if you want to add your own products, you just come here, add new products, click on add new products. So it's going to load. So once you come here, you put in your product name. Let me say JT Text 1, right? Okay, you also have to write a product description. This is where you put your product description. This is where you put your product description. So anything I put here right now is what is going to appear as my product description, right? So let me do it so that you see what I'm talking about. Let me just copy a random text, right? Let me copy a random text. So I'll just copy this as my product uh, description. So this is just for the video sake. You'll have to put in a real description there. Sorry. So after this, when you come here, you have to check if you want the clothes to be a simple product or a variation product. Okay, so simple product is a product that you just have only one of it. Okay, you just have, if it is black you have only the black, if it is white you have only the white, right? And variation product is a product that varies. Let me say t-shirt now. There is a t-shirt, we have t-shirt black, we have t-shirt blue, and it will also come in sizes. So even this simple product you can even add it in prices too, right? So that's it all about simple product and variable products. So this is the price. This is the price. The regular price is let me say $1, right? So let me say you want to, attract people to your page. Then this $1 you can slash it to lower amount. I can't do that because this is already on $1, or I can do like $2, then sales price $1. So what this thing is going to do right now is when you come to this product, when you come to this product, it's going to show $2 cancelled. Then the sales price will be what, $1. So this kind of stuff it helps to you know make people want to buy a product. They will be like, ah, these people are doing promo because this price they slashed it, and they will buy the product. So that's it about the regular prices. So the inventory, this is the SKU. You can choose your SKU number to be anything. It can be the name of your website, just initials of your website and numbers, right? So you can switch here to show your clients that the product is out of stock or the product is still in stock, right? So shipping. Um, so any products that are going to ship, you are going to put the weight here, the weight, the length of the product, the width. That's if you want. Then the attributes. So let me say I want to add sizes to the products. I'll just come here, select sizes, right? But you see, I cannot select variations. I cannot select variations right now because this is a what simple product. But if this thing now is a variable product, you are going to see options for variation down here. But because it's a simple product, so you're not going to see that. So if I want to add sizes to this product, I'll just come to attributes, come to existing here. I've already created it. So I've already created some attributes. Some is color, some is size. Then that's where you can also create your shoe sizes, like I told you before. So I don't want to. Okay, let's just go ahead and create a single product, and we'll come back and create a variation product. So that's just it. So when you come to the right hand side here, you can add your product as a video. If you have a video of the product, you can add it as a video right here. Okay, or you can just select set product image, then you come to your product image. Let me say I want to upload this as my product image, right? Select set product image, then you come down here. So if the product have other pictures like uh side view, back view, so this is where you can add it, add product galleries, right? So I'm going to add that right now. I'll select this, and if I have any other one, let me just use this to make it up, right? Add, let me add more. Let me add more. So this is it. Excellent. So this is the product categories. If the product you want to upload is for women, right? You check this box. If it is under shirts, tops, and tunics, you check this box. If you don't want it to appear in the women category but or appear under shirts, tops, and tunics, just uncheck this woman. So the same way, if you want it to appear everywhere on your website, just check all the boxes here. Okay. You see, if the product is for travel accessories, I'll just check this. Right. So I'm going to check it for only shirts, tops, and tunics. So that's it. I've selected that. Then I'll scroll down. Product tags. So what kind of product did we okay, cardigan. So product tags can be words that your customers can search on the website, and it will bring them to the products that have that same tag, right? So this is a, let me say, cardigan. My tag is going to be cardigan, um, hoodies, and so on and so forth, right? So this is just as you can see, separate tag with commas. So you just go ahead and do that. Awesome. So here, under here you see the size guide. So if you want the size guide to show on the product, just come here, open this, and select this size guide here, right? Select the size guide here. So product 360 view camera, that's when you hover around the product, it will be showing you other products. So it's optional, as you can see here. So if you want, you can turn it on. If you want, you can add product images. If you don't want, you can just leave it like that, right? Excellent. So this is when you come down. So if you still have more description to show, you can add it there. But this is okay. This is okay for now. But if you have more description, you can add it here. So I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to do that. So I think that's it for adding products to your pages. So let me just quickly go ahead and save this, right? Awesome. Awesome. So when I come here now and visit the site, let's visit the site and check what we are doing. Remember, we added it under women short tops and tunics, right? So we visit it right now. Awesome. Can you see that? Can you see that? This is the product that we just added right now. This is awesome. It's simple. It's very easy to do. As you can see, there is a minus 50% discount on this product. Do you know why this is showing here? Why this is showing here? Remember when I told you that you can add the regular price to be $2 and add the sales price to be $1? This is it here. Can you see that? Can you see that the regular price is slashed? That is a discount. That means you are offering your customers discount, right? And they are going to see it this way. But if you want only uh, one price to be showing here, just go ahead, go back here and remove this sales price. Then we'll leave the regular price to $2. So when I save it now, I don't know if I'm too fast. I don't know if I'm too fast for you or if I'm too slow. But anything you don't understand, you're always free to chat me up or send me a screenshot of the problem, and I will provide support. Right? Also, so I've changed that. Let me update, and when we go back to our website and refresh, awesome. Can you see that the discounts have disappeared? Can you see that? So we can go ahead and open the product. This is the product we added. Can you see that? This is the description, the shipping. So that's it about adding products to your website. So what I'm going to show you now is how to add variation products. How to add variation products, right? So when we come back here, when you come back to your products, so to add variation products, um, you come to these attributes here. When you come to these attributes here, okay, as you can see, I've created some attributes already. I've created some attributes already, right? But I'm going to, delete it so that I'll go ahead and create new one for you and show you everything you need to know. Everything you need to know. Okay, let me create a new one just like this. Let me call it shoe sizes. Shoe sizes, right? I can leave this. I'll select type. I can leave it as select, right? So I'll click on add attributes. Can you see it here? Shoe sizes. Can you see that here? So I'll come here, click on configure terms. This is under attributes. Click on configure terms. So I'm going to add the terms. So shoe sizes is going to be in numbers, right? So I can add 40. I'll save that. I'll add 42. I'll save that. And I will add 44. Save that. And finally 45. So we have configured the terms, right? So let's go back now and create our variation products. So these are the three attributes that we've created. Okay, these are the three attributes that we created. This color, you can add more color here. Just come here and click on configure terms. Just click on configure terms, right? This is there is black, blue. I can add something like brown if I want. That's depending on the color you want to show the variation for. Depending on the color you want to show the variation from. So if the clothes, you just list the clothes colors that you want to use for the variation. Okay, okay, that's it. Um, Let me delete black. Okay, let me add. Um, so let me add the color attributes. I already have brown. I'll add the black. I'll add blue. Okay, just this three is okay for now. Okay, so when we go back to our products, click on all products. So these clothes that we created now, or let me start afresh. Let me create a new product. Click on add new. Click on add new. Um, JT. Let me use a JT text. Okay, this is going to be the name of our product. This is going to be the name that will appear as our product name. Okay. Okay, so here products that I remember we used a single product before, but now we'll be using variation products. Okay, we're going to be using variation products now. So I'm going to change this to variable products. You can give it a price, then come here, change this to variable products. Okay, put the SKU code, can be any number or initials of your website. So you can come here, check in the track. So if you can put the quantity here. So when people buy out the quantity, it is going to show out of stock. Okay. So this is about stock management. shipping, you can add the kg weights, etc., etc. Then the attributes, I'm going to select. Remember, we created shoe sizes, size and color, right? So I'm going to use only color and and size, right? Color and size. So when you come here, select all. Make sure you check both of these boxes here. Check the boxes. Make sure you check these boxes here, right? Check the boxes. Do the same for sizes. Select all because we've already configured that. But for instance, when you don't have enough time to go to these attributes and configure the terms, you can do that from here. You can just select add new over here, put in the name of the attribute you want. It can be cap size. uh So you can write use this L, then the markets. No, not this. L M S, and it's going to give you the same thing as this. Okay, so I'm not going to use this. I'm just showing you another easy way of creating attributes. So I will go ahead and delete this. I just want to make use of these color and size attributes. Okay, make sure you check both of these boxes here. Yes, awesome. So we'll come down to variation. Now variation for variation have appeared because we this is a variable product. So click on variation. I'll save this attribute here, right? So I'll now click on variations here. So when I click here, I'll generate variations, right? I'm going to generate different variations. Then I'll so if you have all these sizes for each colors, you can leave it like this. But I just want to make use of the trade that we created, right? So I'm just going to delete just for training sake. You can go ahead and add as many sizes as you want, right? Let me let me reduce this. As you can see, they have blue, uh, they have brown, they have black. So they are all in different sizes, as you can see. They are all in different sizes. So I think this is okay for now. So if for black, to add the variable product for black, click on edit, select this product, this image here, select this image here, then come add your product color. If it is black, this is the black you add. Then you can put a price for the black. So let me say you have variable products. You want the prices to be different, like no, or sometimes extra large is more expensive than medium. So that's stuffs like that. So this is where you are going to add the price for black. So whenever somebody selects black, it is going to show them the price for the black. But if they select the normal variable products, they will be seeing the normal price that you give them, right? So the sales price, you can even schedule when that discount will start counting on your website here. You see, the discount once you put in the sales start and say and the discount will start running. But I don't want to do that right now. So I've added the product image for the variation black, right? So I'll add for the variation blue now. Let me use this as the blue variation image. You can put the SKU, put the price. put the weight, just leave every other thing as it is. If you want to add description, you can add description. So add uh, finally, let me add for brown. Click on edit, add, upload an image. I can use this as my brown. Mhm. Set variation products. So I think, okay, let me remove this. So it is going to leave me with only black, blue, brown with their sizes. Awesome. Okay, you can even add prices for all of them here. Save changes. So everything, anything you do, make sure you save the changes. Make sure you save the changes. So when you after doing that for the variations, come over here, select swatches settings. Okay, I'm not saved. I've saved it now. Okay, I'm going to publish this. And I come here now. So after setting up the variation, you can go ahead and publish the product. Then when you publish the product, come back to this swatches settings. Come back here to this swatches settings, right? Turn this on to select. Turn it to this color on. Just turn it here to select and save changes. Okay, save changes. So remember, we did not add any product image. So let's select our product image. I think let's use this as our product image. So product gallery images. So different positions of the image or different views if you have. So I'm going to add this and add this, add this again. So this is the product category. Where do you want it to appear? This looks like a men clothes. I'll just go ahead and select shirts and man. So this product is only going to appear in these pages, man and shirts, inside shirts categories. You can add the tags, can call it shirts, man, and so on and so forth. Click on add here. So we need the size guide. So we'll come here, select this size guide here, and that is it. So when we save this product now, let's update. Awesome. So we can now go ahead and view this product. Let's see. Awesome. Beautiful. Can you see that? Can you see that this is awesome? So this is the product that we just created. The description is not showing here because we did not add any description. But if you add a description, description will be showing this place. Okay, so description will be showing this place. So this is the black. Can you see that once you select the color and the size, it will appear. And you can add that to carts. You add it to cart here. Okay, so I think this is all about adding products and variation products to your website. If you have any question, um, please chat me up on my WhatsApp and I'll reply immediately. Thank you so much for your time.